No need to have tech knowledge. No need to buy and learn from a lot of tools. No need to create lots and hours of courses. No need to sell your courses in high pressure webinars. Hi, my name is Bhaskar Rajgopal. I call myself a freedom empowerer. And I was sales talent head at a top 5 IT company and was in the US also for handling multiple customer accounts for 11 years. I spent over $25,000 learning from some of the best in the future of online coaching business, membership-based subscription models. People like Sam Owens of consulting.com, John Lee Dumas, Pat Flynn. What I've done is I've simplified all that to bring to you a live, interactive, breakthrough-based workshop where you can interact with me, ask your questions, get your breakthroughs live, and join hundreds of other entrepreneurs who are benefiting from this. Because going through courses, and I call it abba dabba jabba, is not going to help. It has to be a live breakthrough, and it has to have hand-holding, step-by-step guided system for you to implement. We take you through launch and make you profitable. And of course, there are so many other bonuses. You get your breakthroughs. Okay, and I don't know if I can share these here. Yes, bonuses of research of content. Okay, get your breakthroughs. The one Lee hitch. I'm only taking 30 in a batch. Okay, because I want to make a difference. So it's limited time, limited seats. Click on the link below and get in. I'll see you on the inside. I strongly believe you deserve freedom. Take care. God bless.